Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial for the Professional Program Management System. We will be covering the minimum requirements and installation. Let's get started. First, we'll be going over our minimum requirements. You will need to install MySQL Workbench to manage your local or remote database. You will also need to install Node Package Manager or NPM from the following link. To install NPM, scroll down, locate the Get Started section at the bottom, and install the current version for your operating system. Finally, you will need an editor that fully supports TypeScript. For this demonstration, I will be using Visual Studio Code. Once the GitHub files are downloaded, navigate to the database folder and run the script named database.sql. This will create the database and insert some data in the tables. Then, open Visual Studio Code and click on File, select Open, and navigate and open your main application folder downloaded previously from the GitHub account. Go to the API folder and open the db.php file. In there, make sure you input your proper credentials to connect to your database. Now, ensure that all the files on the Services folder point to the appropriate location where you have your .php files. In this case, they were placed on an external private server. Now, we are ready to run our program. Locate the index.html file and right-click on it and select Open in Terminal. Let's type two simple commands to get our application running. First, we will type npm install and press Enter to install all the libraries from Angular. If you see a tree structure at the end of the installation, you have completed successfully. Now, type npm start and press Enter to launch your application on the browser. Let's take a look at it. Any changes on the code will be saved automatically and they will be reflected on the browser. This successfully complete your guide for launching the Professional Program Management System application.